Hi, so are you searching for a way to download YouTube videos to your gallery using your Android phone? If yes, then this is the best video for you. Okay, so to start everything, let's open our Google Chrome, then type in youtube.com. Okay, okay, so after YouTube has opened, the next step is to click on the three dots at your right top. Okay, and then select desktop site. Okay, so after that, then you type in the video that you want to download in the search bar. Let's say I want to download how to download YouTube videos. Let's download the first video. So we will click on the first video. Okay. So after that, the next step is to click on the
Here
search
to
bar
tell you how.
and copy the link. Okay. Again, paste the link into the search bar. Okay, and move back to where it says www.youtube. Before the YouTube, that's where you place your cursor and you type SS. Okay, and enter. Okay, so from here you will see a green button at this place. Yes, here where it says download, then you click on it. Okay, then now we can all see that the video has started downloading. Thank you. Please kindly subscribe.